Tate McRae is tonight, so let's do some Tate inspired glam. Tate always has the most beautiful shimmer on her eyes. This was my inspo for tonight, but I really wanted to make it my own. So let's get ready. I'm gonna start skin prep off. I'm gonna use the Road Glazing Milk. Since I wanna do a shimmery eye, I'm gonna do my eyes first. So I'm gonna use this Tate McRae palette. I'm gonna start with this shade here. I'm just gonna place this all in the crease. I'm gonna pick up this gold shimmer here. I'm gonna pack this onto the eye. Tate McRae shimmers are so good. In some of her makeup looks, it looks like she has purple on the eye. I kinda wanna try it. Let's see, I might regret this, but we can always fix it. Liking where this is going, I'm gonna add this shade here, just right here in the inner corner. I'm just adding a wing with my Urban Decay 24/7 Inks pen. Just curled my lashes, and now I'm adding some of this Dolce & Gabbana mascara. Adding my Ardell 420s cut in half. This is my favorite lash. One of the things that I love about Tate's makeup is it always looks like her skin still. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this Armani Luminous Silk. I'm in between shades right now, so I mix together 5.75 and 6.25. I'm gonna use the Mario Skin Enhancer for both bronzer and contour. Just gonna keep the skin looking like skin. To bronze up the nose with this. Feeling She's Seductive from Patrick is going to be the best blush for this look. I'm only gonna do just a little bit of this NARS Pot Concealer. I'm just setting the under eyes with the new Huda Beauty powder. This is Cherry Peach. This is one of my new favorite powders. For the rest of the face, I'm using this one size powder. Do you guys like watching the brow process? To me, it just feels a little boring. I'm just filling in my brows with this Kosas Brow Pop. I'm gonna set with the new Urban Decay setting spray. Going back to She's Seductive, and I'm gonna go on top and bring the skin back to life. This is actually Patrick Ta's method. How perfect is this for a beauty highlighter? This is shade Enchant. This is actually my first time using this shade. Ooh, that's really pretty. In all the photos that I see of her, she has eyeliner in her waterline. Using Persona Graphite, this is like my favorite eyeliner right now. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use the first shade to smoke out the lower lash line. With that shimmer, I'm just placing that on the inner lower lash line. This is my current favorite lip liner. This is Love Trap from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna keep the lip simple and just add YSL Candy Glaze. Alright guys, here is the final look. I'm obsessed. I'm so glad I did the purple. So excited for the concert. Let me know what you guys think of the look.